Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get out of your team in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you are a part of a team in Canva and you want to leave it, here's how you can do it. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the home page. Now here, I want you to click on your profile icon on the top right corner, or just click the gear icon. That will lead you to your account and go to the people. In this case, these are some of the options that you can do. All right. Now, if you have created a team here in Canva, all you're gonna do is remove the person that you wanted to out of your team. Now, if you are part of a team, there's gonna be an option here that a 3 dots or ellipsis next to the team you wish to leave. Of course, select team from that options, and a confirmation dialog will appear. Click leave to confirm. Now, another option is if you are, say, for example, under a client or a company or an organization, you might want to ask the owner of the team that you are belong with, okay, and ask permission. And then, of course, one of the member will do their work and remove you from the team. Because once you leave the team, you lose access to share designs, templates, and files within that team workspace. All right, leaving a team helps you declutter your Canva account if you are no longer collaborating with that group. So basically, being part of a multi-team can lead to confusion, especially when there are numerous shared designs, templates, and folders. Leaving a team can help streamline your personal projects and keeping things organized. Now, if in case you encounter any problems leaving a team, or the admin has problems removing you from that specific team, you might want to need some help from the Canva customer support service. Type in your questions to see if you get an answer. All right. You see that? Of course, describe the issue right here. If you can add a screenshot of the problem, that's going to be helpful for the support staff, so they can give you proper insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. You can also ask the chatbot here to see if you get an answer, because team projects can often generate notifications for design changes, comments, or assignments. So if you are no longer part or actively involved in that team, these notifications can become overwhelming or irrelevant. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.